Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get GPS Navigator without any maps in any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Arrow No Maps GPS Navigation. And firstly you'll see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening, it will show you some instructions. Just click on continue again, click on continue. Now, firstly, just enable the GPS on your respective Android smartphone or tablet. So I've enabled the location right now, and now you can search where you want to move. So let me select this respective location, and you can see here it's showing a arrow marking indication. So I need to move on this direction. So if you try to move your Android smartphone or tablet, so you can see here the arrow mark indication will keep moving depending upon which way you have to move. And on the notification panel also, it will show you the distance you need to travel in order to get your respective selected locations. And the good part of this application is that you can use it offline also without using any internet. So for this, just click on this new, and you can search for the respective place or locations in order to save the respective locations to use it in the offline mode, or you can save the current locations which you have used just now also in order to use it in the offline mode. So by using this cool application named as Arrow No Maps GPS Navigation, you can easily get GPS Navigator without any maps in any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.